It's the season for the berries. La 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 la. This is the mulberry. I pick it every year. I think it's a mulberry. It's in, it's in, it's in. It's the season. It's the mulberry. One of them berry seasons all over the place this time of year. What's significant about this berry? Like in a month time, it will be all gone. This berry, it comes and it bears so much all over New York this time of year. And before you know it, it's very sweet. I don't even think too much people. Sometimes you see a few in the stores. It's go wild, wild. This thing goes wild. I'm at the post office and this thing goes wild. Just doing my morning walk and picking the berries on the sidewalk. This thing goes wild. It goes wild, wild, wild. This thing goes wild. I'm telling you, before you know it, it'll be all gone. Let me tell you about locusts and wild berries. It's, you know, knowing me, I make a jam from it yearly. You can just chew it down and put it on your bread. You know what you're eating. It's not what you pick up in the store. Same people must pick up the stuff in the store who can make a jam, make a preservative. You get a box like this and you have children and all. This thing can last you so long. See, it's the season, it's the season.